Hello friends, in this video we shall see how the use of brackets to form a tuple is not necessary. If do not enclosing the delimiters can also form a tuple or not. We know that a collection of comma separated items, if it is put in the square bracket, it forms a list. If it is put in inverted commas, either single or double, it forms a string. If no such delimiter is used, only a collection of comma separated items without using the square brackets, that also defaults to a tuple. So if you do not use any delimiter, it will result into a tuple only. So default delimiter is a tuple. So this is the property of the sequence in Python. We shall now see this property actually in use by executing a Python script in which I will show that even if the brackets are not used, it forms a tuple itself.